To create a model or an equation for the area of the blacktop as a function of its width, so the area as a function of width, I always want to keep in mind how I would find the area of my rectangle. So in this case, I'm working with 120 or 160 total. We have a 160 total perimeter, and the length plus the width equals 80. So the length and the width are going to be 80 together total. So let's just say that if my length was 80, that wouldn't work because my width would have to be 0. That wouldn't even make sense. Oh, never mind. That wouldn't make sense because 0 plus 80. But let's say we had something like 79 and 1. That would be crazy. It wouldn't be a very good place for people to play in, but technically that would work. And then as this distance continues getting smaller, this distance continues getting wider. So all I know is that the length times the width is going to find my area, and that the length plus the width is going to be 80. So one way that I can do this is I will just say this side is going to be called W, and then this side that I'm going to multiply it with is going to be 80 minus W, because these two together have to equal 80, and after I take away this, 80 minus this, that will be the length of L. So for example, in this case, my width is 20, and then this one is 80 minus 20, which is 60, so that's how I got 20 times 60 for this particular option. But since we want to do this in general, we want to keep all of our variables open so that we could do a model for the area of any blacktop that will work. I do the width times 80 minus the width. So when you're choosing your answer for this, you want your width times the length plus width total. This number right here is not the total perimeter. It's just half. So hopefully this will help you create your model. Next, we will be graphing.